In a lush green forest, lived a humble rabbit named Remy. Remy was known for his contentment and kindness, living simply and making the most of what he had. One day, a greedy fox named Freddy moved into the forest. Freddy was always on the lookout for more, never satisfied with what he had. One sunny morning, Remy found a delicious carrot in his burrow. He was delighted, but instead of hoarding it, he decided to share it with his forest friends. Freddy, who had seen Remy's find, approached him, hoping to get a share. Remy gladly gave him a piece, but Freddy, unsatisfied, demanded more. Remy, however, stood his ground, explaining, "I have all I need, and I am content. I share because it brings joy to my heart, not because I must." Freddy, envious of Remy's contentment, continued to take from others, but it brought him no happiness. His heart remained empty, despite his full belly. One day, Freddy's greed led him to a trap set by a hunter. Remy, who had been watching, rushed to warn his friends, but it was too late for Freddy. The forest was silent for days, and the echo of Freddy's greed still lingered. Remy, however, carried on, living simply and sharing generously. The moral of this story is that greed can lead to destruction, while contentment and sharing bring true happiness. Always remember, it is not the amount of what we have that matters, but the joy we find in it.